Welcome to my channel Gulub Time. Today in this video I am discussing the peninsular river system. We know that Indian drainage systems are classified by Himalayan drainage system and peninsular river system. Also I discussed Himalayan river systems in my previous video. However, before entering the main subject, I will discuss about peninsular river. Maximum rivers are originate from peninsular rivers and central highlands. Flow of peninsular river is seasonal type and it dependent on monsoon rainfall. Maximum rivers are superimposed trails, radius and rectangular patterns. If peninsular river system is older than Himalayan river system, it is fixed course with well-adjusted valley. Based of flowing direction, the peninsular river system are divided into two types: eastward flowing river system and westward flowing river system. Eastward flowing rivers are Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Pennadu, Palar, Kaveri and Vaigai. Westward flowing rivers are Narmada and Tapi or Tapti. Narmada River. Narmada originates from Amarkantak Plateau at an elevation of 1057 meter. Total length of this river is 1310 km and largest west flowing river is Narmada River and 112 km navigable from mouth. It flows through Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, etc. And finally discharges in Arabian Sea. One important feature of Narmada River is Dhuadhar Falls, also called Cloud of Mist. And other falls, Mandar Falls, Dardi Falls, etc. The Tapi or Tapti River. Tapi originates from Betel Plateaus in Satpura range. Total length of this river is 730 km and 32 km from sea is navigable. It flows through Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra and Gujarat and finally meets Arabian Sea at Gulf of Khambat. About 79% the Tapti basin lies in Maharashtra, 15% Madhya Pradesh and remaining 6% Gujarat. Mahanadi. The first eastward following peninsular river is Mahanadi. From north to south, Mahanadi is the first river, peninsular river. It originates from Dandakaranya near Shiva, Raipur, Chhattisgarh. Length of this river is 857 km and it flows through Chhattisgarh and Odisha. It forms a delta about 9,500 square km. Finally discharges its water into Bay of Bengal. Godavari River, popularly known as the Dakshin Ganga. The Godavari is the largest peninsular river system. It originates from Trimbak Plateau, Nashik, Maharashtra. And total length of this river is 1465 km. It flows through Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana. The Penganga, Indravati, Manjira are the major tributaries of Godavari. And finally discharged its water into Bay of Bengal and also created a delta, mouth of Godavari river system. Krishna River. Krishna River originates from Western Ghat just north of Mahabaleshwar, Maharashtra. Total length of this river is 1400 km. It flows Maharashtra, Telangana, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh. Krishna River. The Bhima, the Tungabhadra, Hungary are the main tributaries of Krishna. The total catchment area of Krishna 27%, Maharashtra, 44%, Karnataka, and 29% in Andhra Pradesh. Pindaru River. It originates from Nandidar Peak in Karnataka. Length of this river is 597 km. It flows through Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. Kundur, Charvati, Papakni, Ponchu are the tributaries of Pindaru River. Kaveri River. Kaveri originates from Tal Kaveri, Brahmagiri Range, Western Ghat, near Bengaluru, Karnataka. The total length of this river is 800 km. It flows through Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, and it is the main characteristics of these rivers is Shivsamudram waterfalls are situated in this river system. The total basin area of this river is 8.8 million hectare, and 3% lie in Kerala, 41% lies in Karnataka, and 56% lie in Maharashtra. Major tributaries of the Kaveri are Kobini, Bhavani, Amravati, etc. And Kaveri river system also create a delta in his mouth. Vaigai river is the smallest river in peninsular river system. It originates from Bharusand Hills near Annamalai Hills and Palani Hills, and total length of 258 km. Last peninsular eastward river is Vaigai river. It flows through Tamil Nadu. It is a dry channel which reappears and disappears frequently. Madurai is located on the Vaigai river. Today I end here. Thank you.